In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create portfolios in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating portfolios in Asana is a great way to organize your projects and keep track of everything in one place. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Asana interface and take a look at the left side panel. This is where you'll find all the key features and options. Now look for the Portfolios option. If you're having trouble finding it, don't worry, it's usually located pretty close to the bottom of that left sidebar, especially if you have a lot of projects listed. Once you have located the Portfolios tab, go ahead and click on it. This should bring you to the main dashboard for all your current project groups. If you haven't created any portfolios yet, this area will mostly be empty, but that will change shortly. Next, you're going to see a button that says Create. This is where the fun begins. Click on the Create button to start the process of building a brand new portfolio. This should open a prompt where you can input the details of your portfolio. Now it's time to give your portfolio a name. Make sure this name is concise and descriptive, as it will help you identify it at a glance. For example, if the portfolio is about product development, you might name it Product Development 2023, or something specific to the projects you're managing. Once you've settled on a name, you'll need to choose the privacy settings for your portfolio. Think about who needs access to this information. You can select to make it public for anyone in your organization to view, or private for just you to see. This is especially useful if you're working on confidential projects. After that, you'll see an option to select a default view. Asana provides a few options here, like List View, Timeline, or Workload View. Each of these views caters to different needs, so think about which one fits your project management style best. For example, if you love seeing timelines and dependencies, the Timeline view might serve you well. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click the Continue button to finalize your settings. Now that your portfolio is created, where can you find it? You'll locate it on the left panel under the Projects folder. This makes it super easy to access whenever you need it. If you hover over the folder, you can peek at its contents without having to click through, which is really convenient. If you want to see all the projects inside that portfolio, just click on it. And there you have it. You've successfully created a portfolio in Asana, and you can now organize your projects more efficiently. Go ahead and check your results now. Take a moment to explore the contents of your newly created portfolio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful Asana tips and tricks.